Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which entertains you with a lot of amazing content. Here in our today video, we are going to talk about the power of branding for small businesses. Let's get started. Today, we're going to explore the importance of branding for small businesses and how it can help them to grow and succeed. First, let's define what branding is. Branding is the process of creating a unique identity for your business, including the name, logo, colors, and messaging that sets it apart from competitors. It's the way that your customers perceive and remember your business. Now, you may be thinking, I'm a small business. Why do I need branding? The truth is, branding is just as important for small businesses as it is for large ones. Branding can be even more crucial for small businesses because it helps them to stand out in a crowded market. So let's start. Differentiate yourself. When you have a strong brand, you're able to differentiate yourself from your competitors and create a sense of trust and loyalty with your customers. This is especially important in today's digital age, where there are thousands of small businesses all vying for the attention of the same customers. Branding is crucial for small businesses as it helps to differentiate them from their competitors. By creating a strong brand identity, small businesses can establish themselves as unique and trustworthy in the minds of consumers. This can include developing a recognizable logo, color scheme, and messaging that aligns with the company's values and mission. Additionally, small businesses should focus on building relationships with their customers and consistently delivering high-quality products or services. By differentiating themselves and building a strong brand, small businesses can increase customer loyalty, attract new customers, and ultimately drive growth. Establish credibility. A strong brand also helps to establish credibility for your business. When customers see a consistent and professional image across your website, social media, and marketing materials, they are more likely to trust and do business with you. But how do you create a strong brand for your small business? The first step is to define your brand's mission and values. What is it that you stand for? What are your unique selling points? Once you have a clear understanding of your brand's identity, you can start to develop your visual identity, including your logo, color scheme, and typography. Visual identity. Your visual identity should be consistent across all of your materials, including your website, social media, business cards, and packaging. This helps to create a sense of familiarity and recognition for your customers. Visual identity is an essential aspect of branding for small businesses. It encompasses all the visual elements that represent a brand, such as its logo, color palette, typography, and imagery. A well-designed visual identity helps to establish a brand's unique identity and sets it apart from its competitors. It also helps to create a consistent and recognizable look and feel for the brand across all marketing materials, from business cards to website designs. By creating a strong visual identity, small businesses can build trust and credibility with their customers, and ultimately drive more sales and growth for their business. Consistent messaging. Another important aspect of branding is creating consistent messaging across all of your materials. This includes your website, social media, and email marketing. Your messaging should reflect your brand's mission and values and be consistent with the overall tone and voice of your brand. Consistent messaging is key for small businesses looking to establish a strong brand. By consistently communicating the same message across all platforms, small businesses can establish a clear and recognizable brand identity. This helps customers to easily identify and remember the business, leading to increased brand awareness and loyalty. Consistent messaging also helps to establish trust and credibility with customers, as they can rely on the business to consistently deliver the same message and values. Style guide. One of the best ways to establish and maintain a consistent brand image is by creating a style guide. A style guide is a document that outlines all of the elements of your brand, including your logo, colors, typography, and messaging guidelines. This helps to ensure that all of your materials are consistent and on brand. But branding doesn't stop with just creating a visual identity and messaging. It's also important to build a strong online presence for your brand. This includes having a professional website, active social media accounts, and a strong search engine optimization (SEO) strategy. Content marketing. Another way to build brand awareness is through content marketing. This includes creating valuable and informative content that is relevant to your customers and aligns with your brand's mission and values. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media posts. Finally, it's important to stay consistent with your branding efforts. This means regularly reviewing and updating your branding materials and online presence to ensure that they are current and on brand. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.